Oh, what do you think this is? Military equipment? Maybe something to do with music, concert or something? No, this is the latest Intel NUC. Intel's fantastic with their NUC packaging. Previous ones that I've received have also come in very nice packaging, and this massive box houses the new Intel NUC 13 Extreme. Now, this is not what you're going to get if you buy this from retail. This is a press sample, unfortunately, which goes back to Intel. But let's go ahead and open this up. Oh. Nice, huh? There was a little chime that played. I'm not sure if you got that on camera or not. But when you open the box, there's a little chime. And we've got this massive packaging. Oh, look at that. Nice industrial. So the NUC is over here. I'm going to lay it down. But just so you guys can see, look at that. You've got some great packaging. It says, "Prey on the competition." Let's go ahead and put this one down. Now, this is a bad boy. Oh, this is big. This is the new NUC 13. Quite a bit larger than last year's model. And if you want to check that out, do look at the channel for that. Wow, very heavy. Other than that, you've got power and you've got the Wi-Fi antennas, some cables, and I'm not sure what causes this to chime. It's interesting. Some additional screws for you to put things on. I'm going to move this over here real quick. So this is a 14-liter chassis, which is considerably larger than the previous NUC models. Still quite small, though very much approaching a small form factor sized PC. Coming to the specs, it has the desktop class Intel i9-13900 processor. This one comes equipped with the RTX 3080 Ti graphics card, 32 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. That's a lot of power inside this little box. Now, obviously, because of the size constraint, and this is air-cooled, you're not necessarily going to get the performance, a full performance of the 3900. There will be a little bit of throttling on that, and you can check our review to see that. But as far as this NUC 13 is concerned, it's quite a departure, isn't it, from the previous ones? Right, so this is a 14-liter chassis, which is very much in line with the mini or small form factor PCs. And you can sort of upgrade this. Let's see if we can go ahead and open this out. There's a little thumb screw at the back. The panel comes off. Now, this is very much along the lines of a mini ITX motherboard, so I think Intel could possibly switch to that in the future. I understand this shows their engineering chops with this, but I think switching to mini ITX might save on some costs and allow user to upgrade more easily. So there you go. You can see the chassis in here. This is the NUC module itself, which has the CPU, the RAM, the storage, everything resides over here. Graphics card, which is the RTX 3080 Ti, is sort of sitting inverted. As you can see, that's the top of the card, so you have it upside down on there. There's plenty of support, it doesn't move, so that's quite nice on there. But if you want to change this to something, nice space, almost a foot of space over here for you to replace this with your graphics card. Now, as far as the power is concerned, you see this little heatsink. You've got the heatsink and the fan blowing over here. You're not necessarily going to get the performance, full performance of the 3900K that you can get from a liquid cooled system, for example. It is the same processor, but there's a good chance that because of heat, it might throttle a little bit. Check out our review for that to see the exact numbers on that. But this is the NUC 13 Extreme. It looks nice. I'm kind of sad that it's gone to this big size compared to what it used to be. And I don't see any RGBs on it. It's a gaming system. Come on, Intel. You got to put some RGBs on it.